Hey guys, it's Dennis here. And there's Kulika behind me feeding the chicks.
Hi.
Yeah, it's a nice day. It looks like winter, but it feels pretty good. It's -1 or about 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's no wind or anything, and it's a sunny day. Actually, we got an early winter here. It started right at the beginning of November. It was really cold, and then we got a couple little snowfalls. What can you do, though, when you live up here in Canada? So we thought we're still going to enjoy it anyways. We still like hiking. So we come to one of our favorite spots. It's about 35 kilometers south of Saskatoon. Yeah, last time we were here, it was near the end of January of this year. That's a long time ago. Doesn't feel like it though, but there's so many places that we like to go. It's just not enough time. There's a little chick up there. They're following us. Isn't that cute, guys?
There's another one.
It's right there. And there's the pup. There's Kassie. Kassie, let's go. Kassie loves hiking. You guys know that. A lot of you have been watching our videos. This is a marshy area. In the summer there's water all around here.
Cattails.
Yeah. Kassie's reading newspapers again. There's lots to smell and read. The days are pretty short now that we're in November. So we gotta take advantage of the light you get. When we headed in here, we saw some magpies flying overhead. Not our pie, but magpies are native to this area. They stay here all winter. So I don't know what they're eating. They must be eating berries and stuff. But yeah, the crows go south, but the magpies stay. Yeah, little pie's at home. He's probably talking away right now, saying, "Get ready for bed." And laughing and coughing and saying, "Peach." A little chickadee. Yeah, they're all around here when we're hiking. Yeah. One of these days we'll release another video of Pie talking. I think he learned another word, right, Kulika?
Right. Just
What?
another day.
Tell them, what did he say?
He said, "Come here." Yeah, I was sitting in a comfortable chair there watching the birds another day, and Peach was at his doorstep, and I said, "Peach, come here," and then Pie started saying, "Come here, come here." It was so funny.
So yeah, we'll try and film little Pie saying that new word. And he's going to keep learning new ones, so we'll keep releasing videos as we make them. So I don't know if we can get him to say that, because it's a new word. So maybe the next video we release, he wouldn't say that yet. But if he does, you'll hear it.
Some seeds, yeah.
Someone left a ski here. Some skis.
I think they're broken.
Yeah, they don't
gave
look
up
very
on
good.
them.
Yeah. They're saying if you want them, you can have them.
At least some seeds, yeah. I have lots of them.
She's got lots. And you can see some berries in the trees there. Those high bush cranberries, right, Kulika?
Yeah, that's what they are. That's exactly.
Oh, a little chick came. So that's what pies would eat. I'll film this little ledge here and see if anybody comes. Yeah. You little chicks enjoy that. We're going to continue our hike. It's actually a very beautiful day. It's nice. It's pretty nice out, right, Kulika?
Very nice.
Look, she's lining that
Some seeds, yeah.
ledge with some seeds. We'll look after the chicks. We love all birds and all animals. Animals make your life better. They lower your blood pressure. Watch and see what they're doing. And now we got a talking bird yet, so a lot of fun. Laughing like Kulika, you know. I think little Pie picked up when because sometimes I say to Peach, I go, "Peach, Peach," and then that's why little Pie is screeching that. I think that's the only thing he's learned from me. Yeah, nice little hike. I think it's not quite 2 kilometers. It's somewhere between 1 and 2 kilometers. But it's nice. Yeah, you head up here and there's sand around there near the top. Then you head down into a valley. A nice little forested area. Little chick. So we're at the top now. I'll show you the surrounding area here. It's all bush in that direction. And there's some hiking trails through there. And this way is a sand dune. Yeah, let's enjoy this hike. Yeah, there's a long winter ahead. It's not even winter yet right now. It's fall. But in this part of Canada, I think they should say winter is November 1st or something. Because by the time December 20th comes around or whatever it is, we've had winter for a long time. She's lining the ledge. Yeah, we're going that way, Kassie. Yeah. We go in here and then it does a loop and it comes out there. I don't think there's many chickadees in this area, Kulika.
Yeah, they're mostly over there.
Yeah.
Especially after we left the seeds there.
Yeah. There are some in here, but when you first come into this trail, there's just lots of them. You can hear snow machines in the distance. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. Just in case you're wondering. They're snowmobiling on the frozen lake. It's not that much snow though, so I guess there's enough. Yeah, actually a couple of years ago we made a video with Kassie. We went canoeing on that little lake. It's called Pike Lake. I'll put a link below to that video. You guys check that out if you didn't see that. It's starting to turn the trail.
Raven.
There's a raven up there.
Soaring. So graceful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, ravens hang out here too for the winter. Not crows. They're all south. I know a lot of places in the States, like Minnesota, the crows stay there year round, someone told me. So they're not just in the south. But they seem to all leave here.
Yeah, in Vancouver area also they stay year round.
Yeah, it's a milder climate. I heard it's the food source is the reason they leave. And they're not going to compete with it with the ravens. The ravens are too big. So
in Estonia, those hooded crows, they stay there year round, so they don't fly south. So they're always there.
Yeah, but the climate there's warmer too.
Yeah, but we can easily have -40 there. Well, not that
Yeah,
often, but every now and then.
I've seen many times. I went there once at Christmas. You had no snow on the ground. There was green grass. We went to the zoo.
Oh, that's true.
And here it was 40 below, and there it was like +5. We're enjoying this hike. Hope you guys are too. I wanted to thank you guys for leaving your nice comments on our videos. We got a lot of nice subscribers on our channel, right, Kulika?
Oh yeah, thank you so much. We are really feeling encouraged by all that positive feedback we get from you guys.
Yeah, so keep those comments coming. We love them. There's a little boardwalk here coming up. One time we came here, I don't know if it was spring or whatever, and Kulika wiped out on this boardwalk. Be careful.
I think somewhere right here, yeah.
Yeah, it kind of turned and it was icy. Yeah. It's not that slippery right now, I don't think. No, it's not too bad. Good. Kulika's got some berries in her hand. What do you have there?
These are high bush cranberries for our birds.
Pi will really like
I
those.
would really like those, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're coming to the end of this hike. We're still going to hang out here and have some fun, but we won't film it. So maybe we'll do a chickadee video too after this. So look for that. So we're going to end this video here, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget about that notification bell. Once you subscribe, click that so you're always notified when we get new videos out. Hope you had fun too with us. See you in the next video.